Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to scan documents on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, from iPhone 12 to iPhone 12 Pro Max, including iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max itself, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to scan documents on iPhone 12, you first need to confirm that your iPhone is on iOS 18. By going to settings, click on general, click on software update, and make sure your iPhone is on iOS 18 already. Otherwise, you will not be able to scan documents using this approach. So on the iOS 18 on your iPhone 12, locate and click on Note. Then once you open Note, click on the edit button at the bottom right. Then you should see a new folder pops. On the new folder, locate and click on the clip icon. Now, once you click on the clip icon, it should say scan document. Click on that. Then position the document in view that you want to scan. So you can either scan the document automatically by clicking on manual at the top right, set to automatic to automate the shutter button, or if you want to do it manually, click on automatic at the top right and turn off the shutter button so that each time you want to scan document on your iPhone 12, you can just go ahead and click on the shutter button. And then this is what you're going to have in form of document. However, to make scanning documents on iPhone 12 easier, set this to automatic so that each time your iPhone document scanner discover a page to scan, it's going to automatically scan the page and can then go ahead, flip the page to scan more pages. So once you are done scanning on your iPhone 12, just click on keep scan. Then it shows the scan like this and then you're good. So that's exactly how to scan documents on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.